What's up, guys? My name is Keith O'Neill. This is my introduction video for the curriculum and evaluation course. So I'm just going to dive right into it. A few things about myself. I am a father of two boys, Kendrick and Keegan O'Neill. Kendrick will be 7 in November. Keegan just turned 4 this past June. I'm a physical education teacher in the KCK School District. This will be my second year in the district. I also am the football coach at the school. I'm the office coordinator. This will also be my second year as the office coordinator at the school. Excuse me. Just a few things about my professional background. This will be my fifth year teaching total. I did a year at Jasper High School as the health teacher. I did a year in Winnetonka in the North Kansas City School District. And then I did a year in the Topeka School District. And this will be my second year in the KCK School District. So I kind of been around a lot. It's kind of been based on, just traveling and coaching. With wanting to coach and stuff like that, I kind of been moving around and doing things in that fashion. So I've been in multiple states, kind of probably going to continue to do that kind of in the grasp of what I am doing with my professional career. So I kind of figured that will require some traveling, and I'm used to it. My long term and short term goals. So my long term goal, potentially, I want to either become an athletic director, head football coach in the state of Texas, where I'm originally from. My short term goal is to, while I'm here in the Midwest, just continue to grow as an educator and to continue to grow in my craft and doing what I'm doing and inspiring the youth and obviously teaching the kids how to live a healthy lifestyle. Uh, Finally, what I plan on, well, at least what I want to learn from this course, just everything I can that I can pretty much take from this course and apply it to my own profession, apply it to my classroom, and potentially apply it to my students, and hope that I can, evolve as an educator and evolve as a mentor for my students. So this is just a few things about me, guys. Can't wait to go through this course, you guys. Good luck to everyone, and happy holidays.